What if I told you that one of the first signs of aging is not wrinkles, not gray hair, not even memory loss? It's your legs. Yes, your legs weaken first. And by the time most people notice it, the damage has already started. Suddenly climbing stairs feels harder. Walking becomes slower. Standing up from a chair requires effort. Your balance gets worse. Your muscles shrink. Your energy drops. And your independence begins to disappear. But here's the shocking part. Many people think weak legs are a normal part of aging. Science says otherwise. In many cases, your body is actually sending you a warning that your muscles are starving. Your cells are struggling to repair themselves. Your blood circulation may be slowing down. Your nerves may not be getting the nutrients they need. And every day you ignore these signals, your strength continues to fade. But there is good news. Certain foods can help activate muscle repair. They can support healthy blood flow. They can reduce inflammation. They can help your body regenerate itself naturally. Today, we're revealing 6 powerful foods that can help strengthen your legs fast. Food number 6 might surprise you, so stay with us. Your future mobility could depend on it. Before we reveal the foods, let's understand something important. Why do legs weaken so quickly? Your leg muscles are the largest muscles in your body. They need constant oxygen. They need healthy circulation. They need protein. They need nutrients. And they need movement. As we age, several things begin to happen. Muscle-building hormones decrease. Blood circulation becomes less efficient. Inflammation increases. Cells repair themselves more slowly. And many people unknowingly eat foods that contribute to muscle loss. The result? A condition known as age-related muscle decline. Doctors often call it sarcopenia. This process can affect balance, walking speed, strength, and overall vitality. But here's the secret. Your body never stops trying to repair itself. Even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. The right foods can provide the raw materials your body needs. They help protect muscles. They support healthy nerves. They improve circulation. They help deliver oxygen and energy to your cells. And that is exactly what we're focusing on today. Let's start with food number 1. Food Facts 1. EGG eggs are one of nature's most complete foods. They contain high-quality protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair. Every time your muscles experience stress from walking, standing, or exercise, tiny muscle fibers need rebuilding. Without enough protein, your muscles weaken over time. Eggs also contain important vitamins that support nerves and brain function. This helps maintain communication between your brain and your muscles. A simple habit of eating eggs regularly can help support strength and mobility. Food Salmon 2. Salmon. Salmon is packed with nutrients your muscles love. It contains protein and healthy fats, but its real power comes from omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation. Why is this important? Because chronic inflammation can silently destroy muscle health. Inflammation can slow recovery. It can increase weakness, and it can accelerate aging. Omega-3s help protect your muscles and support healthy circulation. More circulation means more oxygen reaching your leg muscles. More oxygen means more energy, and more energy means stronger movement. Food circulation. Greek yogurt. Many people overlook this powerful food. Greek yogurt contains protein, calcium, and important minerals. Calcium isn't just for bones. Your muscles need calcium to contract properly. Without enough calcium, muscles can become weak and fatigued. Greek yogurt also supports gut health, and a healthy gut improves nutrient absorption. That means your body can use more of the vitamins and minerals you're eating. A healthier gut can lead to a healthier body. Food Sec 4. Spinach. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It supports healthy blood flow. It helps protect cells from damage. And it provides nutrients involved in energy production. Think of spinach as fuel for your body's repair system. Your cells are constantly working, repairing, regenerating, protecting. Spinach helps support these natural processes. No wonder it's considered one of the healthiest foods on earth. Food Stack 5. Sweet potatoes. Your muscles need energy. Without energy, strength disappears. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly. Unlike sugary snacks that cause spikes and crashes, sweet potatoes provide steady fuel. They also contain nutrients that support healthy circulation and cellular function. This helps your body stay active longer, and active muscles are stronger muscles. Remember, movement is medicine, and energy makes movement possible. Food 6. Beans. This may be the most underrated food on the list. Beans provide plant protein. They contain fiber. They contain minerals that support muscle and nerve function. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar. Why does this matter? Because uncontrolled sugar levels can damage nerves and circulation over time. Healthy nerves are essential for strong legs. Healthy circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients to muscles. Beans support both. Simple, affordable, powerful. Now let's talk about action, because information without action changes nothing. Tip number 1. Include protein with every meal. Your muscles need a steady supply of building materials. Tip number 2. Stay active every day. Even a simple walk can activate muscle fibers. Tip number 3. Drink enough water. Muscles need hydration to function properly. Tip number 4. Reduce highly processed foods. These foods often increase inflammation. Tip number 5. Focus on consistency. One healthy meal won't transform your body, but healthy habits repeated every day can. Tip number 6. Don't wait until weakness becomes severe. The earlier you start protecting your muscles, the better your results may be. Remember, strength is easier to maintain than to rebuild. Your legs carry you through life. They help you walk, climb, move, explore, and enjoy your independence. Don't wait for weakness to become a problem. Start feeding your muscles today. Start supporting your circulation. Start protecting your nerves. Start reducing inflammation. Every healthy choice you make is an investment in your future. Your body is always listening. Your cells are always responding. And your future strength begins with the habits you choose today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next health update. Tell us in the comments, which of these 6 foods do you eat most often? And which one will you start adding to your meals today? Take care of your body, protect your health, preserve your vitality, and keep moving forward, one healthy step at a time.